it's
No.
crab,
No.
jellyfish.
Oh,
And
but jellyfish is more stronger, right? I guess.
No, octopus is more stronger.
Mm.
And they eat scorpion
And but why they stay
Crab.
alone?
Why they live solitary?
because they always don't like to stay together.
Oh.
They build up their own homes in shipwrecks or broken houses, or mostly you see them underwater because they have gills.
They have gills.
Yeah.
Oh,
You can see them small tag, but you should never come near an octopus.
And what is the other? And what
Why
is
you
that?
should never come near octopus?
It
How would it-
it can hurt you also.
And and
Because it has on these things you see on the arms they have sticky things,
Okay.
and if you come they will stick you with it. Yeah. Dolphins can do backward swimming.
Huh.
Yeah.
Why? I don't think so.
You're just kidding me because you don't have even been to.
No.
Papa has not gone to aquarium. Okay.
But they don't have a hands, right, to do a back thing. That's what I'm thinking actually.
No, they have flail. So they will lie down back and start doing it.
Oh. Is it a dolphin or bird? Because the way you are doing it, it looks like a bird, right?
It can do like this or like this.
Oh.
She doesn't read, doesn't mean Papa she doesn't know so many things. She knows so many things. She surprises me all the time.
Yes. Okay.
Especially Octopus Amazing is her favorite book, is it?
Yeah.
It's her favorite book.
Chalo. Very well done.
Chalo.
Very
Now
well.
before we get late, we need to go.
Nobody told me.
Nobody told you. Good morning. So today October 12th. We have an outdoor day today. No, COVID is not over. Pandemic is not over. But the things have been under control here. Rules are strict. But still, we have started going out now. Like our normal homeschool life. 80% normal. And we are today going to aquarium because we have an annual pass. And it is less crowded generally. And it's indoor activity. And it's usually raining almost every day. So it is safe to go. And dad is not coming with us because he has office. Because
But he's going to office, but he's going to try to catch us while we're leaving from the
Yes.
aquarium, and we're gonna have ice cream.
we'll take you along with and enjoy our day. Kids do not earn their money. Why would they go to casino? And they believe that unless you're adult, you do not have the, you should not have the responsibility of money. So casino is only meant for adults.
But we have money.
You have money, but do you have the wisdom to spend the money, or you earn the money because your dad earns the money. You don't go to a job and earn money, right? So do you really have the right to spend that money which you get? And that on a thing like casino? It's not a safe thing, but
Only if your parents allow.
parents. But yeah, me and Papa doesn't gamble. We don't think it's a good habit. We should save our money and yeah. Look at Mama. Wait, Mama is coming. So our kids are, we all are annual members, so they have their Sea Explorer bag, which you see they're hanging, and they have a passport, and they do a challenge every time. Once in 2 months they get a challenge, they get a gift on the birthday month, and they get an ice cream every time they visit. So yeah, so they have to get all the coupons and all the required things they need from the counter. Oh, you got it for today? Okay, go to the task. You have to see on each, we have to see wherever each point is, observe whatever question they have asked, and we have to answer them. Like, from where are we starting today? Which is the first? We have to, today's target is search the habitats. Okay, we are going to learn about the habitats of different hard coral habitat. We are going to Singapore reef habitat, giant crab. So, what are the birthday gifts they got? This is, you got a fishy, you got a free muffin.
This is a lobster.
It's a lobster, and oh, it's another magnet. Happy birthday, Sanvi. Okay, Sia, get your board out. Yeah, get your board, pack everything. You got a hammerhead shark. Oh yeah, that is so beautiful. You happy?
I love her so much.
You love her so much. You love your sister. Okay, Sunny. Pack your stuff. See ya, pack your stuff, and then we are starting our aquarium, okay? But whatever hard corals are there, you have to find in your this one, and then yeah, it'll come. And then this is the brain shaped coral. You have to find. Have you spotted all the corals here? Have you spotted them? I don't know. Oh yeah, there's some there at the back. See ya. Oh. That one there. See, that's a giant clam. Can you see now? This one? You see this one? This is a giant clam. Yeah, this thing. What we saw in the picture, right?
Pufferfish.
What's it?
Pufferfish.
Oh, the catcher will grow big.
You'll inflate by a balloon.
Only if it scares. Only if it gets scared.
Yeah, then we feel like a balloon. See, there's so many. And some blue eyes. This one, and explain to me how do they cook food.
My exotic subject, I'll be the answer.
See, Sunny, what was the color of this mantle we saw?
Dark blue and with like blue spots.
Yeah, and then this is the mantle, and there is algae in the.
I wish I got my mom.
Okay, and this algae here will cook the food for the. The algae will actually absorb the sunlight. So clam will not absorb the sunlight. Clam is an animal. I don't know. Its mouth is so strange, no, Sunny? It is like a sea dragon mouth, right? It's not sea dragon.
Look, 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 look.
Oh, that's a stingray. This is what Sia was talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, there's the grouper.
That's a grouper, right? So this is a tube feet, and that's a mouth.
Where's the sycamore?
No, I think, Sunny, we are going ulta. What should be that? What is the question? Label the underside of the sea star. So you have to label. What is this one, Sunny?
It was over there.
Yeah, so you have to. Okay, one is a mouth, one is a tube feet. Which is mouth?
This is mouth.
Wait, is this one mouth, Sunny, or this? So where is this arrow going? You have to write mouth there. See, you can copy the spelling from Didi. Sunny, tell the spelling to see also.
Tube.
Tube. Yeah, tube की spelling क्या होती है? Tube है हाँ. Yeah, silent E is there. So tube, feet. The cheese! Thank you! Feeding.
Oh, look, so clean.
Oh, they cleaned up, yeah. I think Uncle is going to feed him. See, Sunny, how? 8 not moving. Treat! Oh, its mouth is in the bottom? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it ate it, right, Sunny? This one is the nose. The first Halloween candy of this year. Ate. Oh, he put it in his mouth.
A few? Okay, if you are touching it, just gently touch them by the side. Okay, the side of the sea star, okay? Yeah, just gently twist like
Be
this.
gentle, okay? Sunny, you try gently.
There's one over here and there's one over here as well.
So we are having guava with some salt. Sanvi's already started reading the book, and then we will move ahead. So just because kids had ice cream, I had nothing. So I'm really hungry. So my guava and salt are snack and lunch or whatever for today. See, robot is asking you to move. Sorry. It says you are sorry, you're on my way. Can you please move? Say bye bye, robot.
I wasn't tired.
You are okay. Let's see how I'll take a turn. Wait, see how I'll take a turn. Oh, it completed. So it said, yay! It's done cleaning up. You took a turn. Okay. You're going to stop it. It turns here. It knows you. You're again troubling him. He's taking a turn. You're making it go round and round. I think it's done. So it's 5 o'clock. We are home. I think 30-40 minutes back we reached home. We had some fruit snacks at the mall. Kids have some extra croissants and all. We came back home, ate some more snacks, and now my kids are all set to go to park. Imagine, they still have that much energy. I'm exhausted. I'm very clear. I'm not cooking anything. I've called up my husband to get food for us. Kids are taking break and rest, and then they'll head to park. And by the time my husband will be back, food will be here, we'll all have our dinner, and that's it. We're done for the day. Yes, we did not do any schooling today. If you see, we did not do any school work, sit down work. It was Hindi and copy work as per schedule. But yes, in our normal homeschool life, we don't do schooling every single day. It was COVID, so we did not have anything else to do. So we were doing schoolwork every single day. But as we're getting more normal, the normal routine for us is that we do school some days when we are at home, and we don't do school when we are not at home. And my kids are pretty young, so we don't bother much. And anyways, you see, right, when we go out, they do some spelling work, they do some observation, they do some science. We still talk about things. In the metro, my younger one was reading books, trying to read books, and I was helping her out. And that's it. That's all is the schooling we did, if you want to say that is schooling. But yeah, there was no writing. There was no school work as such, but there was learning all around wherever we were, and it was fun. That's how a journal homeschool life is. We'll do school work tomorrow. Whole day we are at home, so tomorrow we'll catch up from the previous day. I mean, whatever I think is must, that has to be done. And day after tomorrow we have outing, but in the afternoon. So morning we'll still finish our school work, and we do like that, and that's how our lifestyle and homeschooling is. So just hope you get a more idea about our homeschooling life, and that's all I wanted to share. So thank you for being here, and hope you enjoyed our day, and bye bye.